Good morning students. Today we will start with the reading of the next topic, that is what is memory. You remember maths table, spellings, history dates and many more things. The brain has a memory that helps you to remember this. You have seen that a computer can also remember data and instructions. A computer also has a memory. The storage device you just read about store information permanently. These devices are known as secondary storage devices. The computer also has memory in which information can be stored for a short time. The information is lost when the computer is switched off. This kind of memory is called temporary memory. CPU, Central Processing Unit. You have learnt in the previous chapter that the processing of the input takes place in the central processing unit. The CPU also controls the functions of all the components attached to it. Beside it, it is the place where the memory of the computer is present. It is therefore the brain of the computer. The CPU is present inside the CPU cabinet of the computer. Different parts of computer are connected to the CPU by cables. The CPU is made up of memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. The ALU performs addition, subtraction, division and multiplication and operations like comparison, less than, greater than and equal to. This unit processes the data entered from the input devices. Control unit. The control unit controls all the operations of a computer based on the instruction received from the input devices. It controls the movement of information between the ALU, memory and other parts of the computer. Memory unit. The memory unit stores the data and instruction temporarily for processing. Hardware and software. Keyboard, mouse, monitor and printer are the parts of computer. They are together called the hardware. You can touch and feel these parts. The instructions that you give to the computer in the form of program is called the software. A software program is stored on the hard disk. You may create your own software or buy ready-made software. The computer games you buy from the market on a CD or DVD or download from the internet are ready-made software. Types of software. There are two kinds of software, application software and system software. An application software helps you to do some specific task. For example, Paint is an application software that lets you draw and print on the computer. A system software is a set of programs that controls the working of your computer. The computer cannot run without the system software. When you buy a computer, the system software is already loaded in it.